Hi all, welcome to data structure tutorial sessions. In this session, I am going to explain one of the application of the stack data structure, that is balancing of symbols. Compiler uses a stack data structure to check whether the symbols in your expression or in your program are balanced or not. What are the symbols that are used in an expression? Other than operands and operators, what are the symbols that are used in an expression? Parentheses, brackets, as well as braces. These are the symbols that are used in an expression other than operands and operators. These are nothing but parentheses. These are brackets. These are braces. In your programming language, parentheses are used for functions, brackets are used for arrays, braces are used for block of statements. If it is a mathematical expression or algebraic expression, these three symbols can be used. Compiler raises an error if the symbols are not matched in your expression or in your program. Important thing. Compiler raises an error if the symbols in your program or in your expression are not matched. That means every opening symbol should have the closing symbol. What kind of closing symbol? Every opening symbol should have the corresponding closing symbol. Every opening symbol, if it is the left parenthesis, it should have the corresponding closing symbol. If it is the left bracket, it should have the corresponding right bracket. If it is the left brace, it should have the corresponding closing brace. These are nothing but balancing of symbols. Take an example as A plus B. Consider this expression. In this expression, whether the symbols are balanced or not. Ignore operands and operators in your expression. So A is an operand, ignore. Plus is an operator, ignore. B is an operand, ignore. What are the symbols? Opening parenthesis as well as closing parenthesis. So opening parenthesis should have the corresponding matching closing parenthesis. So here symbols are balanced. Compiler will not raise an error. Suppose your expression is A plus B. Assume that this is your expression. Here what are the operands and operators? A, B are the operands, plus is an operator. Ignore operands and operators. What are the symbols? Opening symbol and closing bracket. Is these two are balanced? No. Every opening symbol should have the corresponding closing symbol, that is closing parenthesis. But here we are having which one? Closing bracket. So compiler will give you an error. So compiler uses a stack data structure for balancing of symbols. Here the symbols are either parentheses, brackets or braces. Now the procedure or algorithm to check for balancing of symbols is scan the expression from left to right. Your infix expression from left to right. The first one is ignore operands and operators in your expression. If there are any operands are there or if there are any operators in your expression, just ignore them. Second one is if it is the opening symbol. Important one is if it is the opening symbol. Opening symbol means either opening parenthesis or opening bracket or opening brace. If it is the opening symbol, simply push into the stack. Without checking anything, push into the stack. Next one is if it is the closing symbol. This is the important point. If it is the closing symbol means closing parenthesis, closing bracket as well as closing brace. If it is the closing symbol, then perform two steps, one as well as two. What is the first one? If the stack is empty, then unbalanced. Symbols are unbalanced. Simply I am writing mismatch. That means symbols are unbalanced. Second point is else block. If the symbol popped is not the corresponding opening symbol, then again symbols are unbalanced. That is mismatch. Just to pop the element from the stack and check whether this popped element as well as the closing symbol are matched or not. If these two are not matched, then unbalanced. That means symbols are not matched. Unbalanced, that means mismatch. Next, coming to the fourth point, after the end of your expression, when an expression ended, if your stack is not empty, then again the symbols are unbalanced, that is mismatch. These are the four steps, four important steps while checking for balancing of symbols in your program. Take the first example, example 1. Assume that your expression is A plus B star C divided by D plus E minus F plus K. Assume that this is your expression. While checking for balancing of symbols with the help of a stack data structure, what is your first step? Ignore operands and operators. What are the operands and operators in this expression? A, B, C, D, E, F, K are the operands. What are the operators? Plus, star, slash, plus, minus and plus are the operators. That means our main focus is only on symbols, not on the operands, not on the operators. So what are the symbols in this one? Left one, right one, as well as left one, as well as right one. Okay. So what is the second step? If it is the opening symbol, then push into the stack. What is the first one? Opening symbol. So push into the stack. Next, what is the second symbol? Closing symbol. When closing symbol comes, what is the first step? If stack is empty, then symbols are not balanced. Here, stack is not empty. Then pop this one and check whether these two are balanced or not. Yes, these two are balanced. Why? Because opening parenthesis should have the matching closing parenthesis. Next, coming to the next symbol is opening parenthesis. So push into the stack. Next one is the closing parenthesis and stack is not empty. Then pop an element from the stack data structure and check whether these two symbols are balanced or not. Yes, these two symbols are balanced. Now my stack is empty, my expression is over. Okay, if an expression ended and my stack is empty, then symbols are balanced. One more example is example 2. Assume that your expression is A plus B into C plus D plus E. Assume that this is your expression. Scan the given infix expression from left to right. What is the first step? Ignore operands and operators. Ignore operands and operators. So what are the symbols here? Opening parenthesis again. Opening parenthesis, closing bracket as well as closing parenthesis. What is your third step? If it is the opening, what is your second step? If it is the opening symbol, then push into the stack. So take the stack data structure, push into the stack. Again coming to the second symbol is also opening symbol, then push into the stack. What is the third symbol? Closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. When closing symbol comes, is stack is empty? No, stack is not empty. Then coming to the second point, else block. Pop an element from the stack data structure. Which element is to be popped out? Topmost element is to be popped out from the stack data structure. Check whether these two symbols are balanced or not. These two symbols are not balanced. That means unbalanced. Coming to the third one is example 3. A plus B. A plus B. Assume that this is your expression. A plus B. Okay. Ignore operands and operators. A plus B are the operands as well as operators. Ignore them. Next, is there any opening symbol? No opening symbol. Initially our stack is empty. Next, what is this one? Closing symbol. When closing symbol comes, what is the first step? If the stack is empty, then symbols are unbalanced. That means not balanced. Okay. This is one more example. Next one is example 4. Assume that is your expression. A plus within the parenthesis some expression. Okay. What is your first step? Ignore operands and operators. All these are the operands and operators. Ignore them. So what are the symbols? Opening one as well as closing one. Opening as well as closing. If it is an opening symbol, then push into the stack. If it is an opening symbol, push into the stack. If it is the closing symbol, then check whether the stack is empty or not. Is stack is empty? No, stack is not empty. Then pop an element from the stack. Check whether these two symbols are balanced or not. Yes, these two symbols are balanced. And there is no other symbol. That means our expression ended. Is stack is empty? No, stack is not empty. That indicates symbols are not balanced. That means unbalanced. Symbols are not balanced. This is also unbalanced. The only one balanced example is first one, balanced.